Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. I'm Halimatus Syakdiyah and I'm PhD student in Educational Technology of State University of Jakarta. And this occasion and due to outbreak of COVID-19, I would like to deliver my online presentation to SMIC 2020 International Conference. My paper title, Use of 3D Printing for Learning Science and Manufacture Technology. Use of 3D printing for learning science and manufacture technology. Introduction. The fourth industrial revolution has driven various radical transformation centered of the digitalization of the manufacturing sector and is driven by an increase in data volume, computing power, and connectivity. From the four megatrend in 4.0 industrial revolution era, according to the National Research Council in 2012, 3D technology printing is a technological tool that offers the greatest potential for applying science knowledge in the classroom, and engaging in engineering practice because it combines engineering, technology, and application of science in one entity. 3D printing is directly connected to educational concept, another emerging space in creating space and thinking based on design, creating space in a creative space, do it yourself, where people can gather to create and learn, while learning-based design is a process of experimentation, innovation, and open iteration. Methods. Methodology used in this study is a systematic of literature analysis. The systematic literature review was conducted in 5 steps: formulating the research problem, identifying relevant work, assessing the quality of studies, summarizing in the evidence, and interpreting the findings. 3D printing technology has the potential to fill a unique niche in educational setting. There are at least 3 foundations for integrating this technology into learning. First, learning through experience has long been a goal of progressive educators, where more than a century ago. Second, the idea of shifting their lesson from instructivism to constructivism in the mid-90s. Third, the idea of encouraging students to discover and use technology through the maker movement in education rooted in the work of the way Piaget and Montessori that emphasizes active learning, constructivism, and prepare environment which put purpose into encourage participants to design, create, experiment, and explore with technological tools. Conclusion. 3D printing as technology is one of 4 megatrends in the Industrial Revolution era. They offer the greatest potential for creating active student-centered learning that encourages students to create, through relevant, interesting, and learning process. Application 3D printing technology is at least 3 basic reasons for integrating this technology in learning. Learning to do, learning process of creating and building knowledge. Learning must be carried out by emphasizing active learning, constructivism. 3D printing technology has opened to opportunities for teachers, students, and student other community members as learning tool with technology in classroom. Challenge and obstacles, especially the limited skill of teacher and student to operate digital devices that are relatively new, must be overcome immediately by discovering new methods for teacher professional development and appropriate learning approaches to integrated 3D printing technology to learning. I hope this information can add to our knowledge about 3D printing. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.